So our today's topic is planar graph. A graph is a planar graph if there exists an embedding 2D plane such that no edges cross each other. Let's suppose take an example of this is our complete graph of vertices 4. So this graph, and we can also redraw this graph like this. These two edges, these two vertices are joined here like this. So these two graphs are equivalent. If so, how can we say this K4 graph is a planar graph? We can say it if there exists an equivalent graph such that there is no edge intersection. Means we can say here there is a edge intersection, but but this graph is equivalent to this graph, and in this graph there is no edge intersection. That's why we can say K4 is a planar graph. Let's take another example. So this is example number 1. So let's take another example. So this is our another example. So this is our another. Let's try to make a graph, equivalent graph, such that there is no any S intersection. So try to make it. First of all, draw a square-like structure. Then we can draw like this. We can draw like this. We can connect these two by this, and we can draw like this. So we can draw a equivalent graph of this graph which has no edge intersection. That's why this graph is also planar graph. So let's take another example. If let's take an example of K5. How can we draw K5? So K5 K5 means complete graph with 5 vertices. So let's draw a complete graph, K5 graph. So this is our, and in complete graph every vertices is connected to every other vertices. So we can draw like this, to this is, and this is going to this. So this is our K5. So try to make an equivalent graph in which there is no any edge intersection. First of all, draw like this. So there is edge between this and this graph. So if we try to make it like this, so there is also an edge connection. So there is not any way such that this edge will not intersect with other edge. So we can say that this is not planar graph. Planar graph. So there is some important observation. The first one is observation 1. Can means complete graph with n vertices is planar if n is less than is equals to 4. And there is observation number 2, what km comma n is planar if m is less than is equals to 2 or n is less than is equals to 2. So this is bipartite graph. This is k, m and n refers to bipartite graph. So this is complete bipartite graph. So there is a very important observation. Complete bipartite graph is a planar if m is less than is equals to 2 or n is less than equals to 2. Let's prove it from an example. You can draw it like this. You can draw it like this. Draw it like this. Draw it. K32 is planar. So this is a planar because we can make a K32 such that there is no any edge intersection. So try to draw K33. Okay, K33. So first of all, make like this, 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 this. So there is no any edge intersection. Try to make like this. So there is no any another way to draw to connect this and this and this and this. So we can write it like this. So there is another way of drawing K3. So let's draw another way. If suppose connect the first vertices with all the vertices and connect this with so there is no way to connect this with this. The third vertex is to first two vertices. So this is K33. So there is no any possible way to draw K33 with no S intersection. So K33 is not a planar graph. So this is also not planar.